Welcome aboard this luxurious white ship, sailing gracefully across the endless deep blue ocean. From high above, you can see the full majesty of the vessel as sunlight sparkles on the waves around it. Approaching from the front, the ship's bold structure and elegant railings come into focus. Waves dance along the sides, reflecting the bright sunlight on the pristine white surface. From the side, passengers walk along the deck, enjoying the fresh ocean breeze. Every detail of the ship's hull and deck shines under the sun, creating a vibrant, cinematic view. Looking from above, the full deck comes into view. People gather near the railings, soaking in the beauty of the surrounding ocean. Sparkling waters glimmer like diamonds around the ship. On the deck, passengers stroll, take photos, and share moments together. Deck chairs and polished surfaces reflect the sunlight, highlighting the ship's luxury and elegance. Inside the lounge, cozy seating invites relaxation. Passengers chat, sip drinks, and enjoy the view through large windows as sunlight streams into the interior. Walking through the hallways, polished floors and railings guide the way. Every detail of the interior is designed for comfort and style, giving a true sense of luxury cruising. Up in the bridge, the ship's controls come to life. Crew members monitor navigation, ensuring smooth sailing across the vast ocean, with instruments glowing under the ambient light. Back on deck, passengers relax in comfortable chairs, watching the waves and feeling the gentle sway of the ship. Every moment is filled with serenity and joy. The ship cuts through the water, leaving a foamy trail behind. Sunlight glints off the white hull, and the dynamic movement of the ocean adds to the cinematic experience. Families and children enjoy the deck, pointing toward the horizon, laughing, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. The bright sunlight enhances the cheerful atmosphere. As the camera pans upward, sunlight reflects off the ship's surface. Sparkling waves surround it, and the vessel sails peacefully into the distance. From this breathtaking aerial view, the true beauty of the ocean journey unfolds, leaving a lasting impression of serenity and grandeur.